Hi, I'm Steve, TT120. Happy New Year to you all. I'm up at Blackpool at the moment with Baz Rail. We're building a 00 gauge layout up there. I'm going to carry on gluing together my layout at home, and I'll do another video and you'll see how we're going to paint it. Cheers. Okay, I'm back on the layout now. I've already glued that piece in there. We've got a tunnel mouth, got a little bit more to put in there, and round to a tunnel mouth there with some bit of 3D printed arches, looking quite nice. On the top there is going to be a church on the top of the hill. This is a piece of MDF which I broke earlier on today, and you can see it's very interesting sort of texture, very natural type of finish. So let's use this. Got a piece of MDF here, and I'm just going to get the chisel and just break away the edges of the MDF to reveal sort of a natural finish. That's all gone through on that piece. Let's try down here again. A little bit of pressure on the edge, not taking too big a bite, and oh no, there's a bit of surface there, so I'm going to turn that over, break that away. Okay, today I've been in the workshop and I've got some MDF which is 18mm thick, and I've cut them into different widths. There's a wider one and a narrower one. So what I'm going to do now is turn them over onto the side. So this is now the thickness of it, and we're going to get a Stanley knife, and I'm just going to put it onto the side there and just push it in different places just to break it across, so that we've got a small strip there, and that's the edge I'm looking for. It's a natural type finish, and we're going to make another layer here with Stanley knife and just pop it off there. A bit more down here, and I'll split that one again, and it seems to follow the grain, if there is a grain in MDF of course, and we can pull that out. And these are the sort of finishes that we're looking for, is this split edge. Then open it up, and that's the finish I'm looking for. So the natural finish without costing you a lot. And this is all cut from scrap MDF that I've had in my workshop. So and I'm sure if you were going to town to local carpentry people, they will be able to give you some from their offcuts. Normally would glad to get rid of it because they have to pay to dispose of it. Let's break this up. Right, let's have a look, see what finishes we get in here. Yes, another nice one. I might need to put the knife in there and just ease it apart. There we go. We get a nice finish. Now I'll move over to the wall and start a piece of MDF here, as this is going to be the wall. At the moment it's laid flat on the track. So we'd start off with a tapered piece there, and then I'd follow on with another piece next to it and put these on there. Maybe turn that round. So it's a similar sort of level, and then slowly build them up until eventually it looks like a rock face. It's not going to be too worried about it being too tidy, because rocks aren't tidy, are they? That one's a little long, I'll just have to trim him off. Layer another one down here. Yeah. Now not all stratas are the same thickness, so we're going to put a thinner one down now. Here we've got some smaller pieces we've cut. Put that into there. And on the side I'll do a second one, because obviously I had 2 years of small growth in the stonework from creation. Now we're going back. We had some thicker rain or heavier crop building up, and we're now slowly building. Okay, I've moved my phone over to the wall that I've been building, and these are stuck a few days ago. So take a piece of MDF. This is the original edge. That's the split piece. Split both sides, that one is, so it doesn't matter which way around. I'm going to put him in there, and then just go over to the PVA and put some PVA on that. I'm going to put a little bit on the bottom edge as well. Like that. And then we can pop that in. Push it down. If you squeeze hard on PVA on this wood that's so dry, it's going to soak in. There's another piece here. Now that's the machined edge. Okay, that's the split edge. He's going to go across there. So where my fingernail is the edge of the board. The edge I'm going to cut. Snip him off. And let's just try him in. Now just a little bit more off on the end of there. Yep, that is going to be the right size. So into the PVA, along the back, and a little bit at the bottom edge, in case it doesn't actually touch the back wall. In we go. That's fine. I think that one needs turning round a little bit. bit better. I don't mind about these edges here because we're going to put some greenery on there, but now looking at this, I think we need to have some thin pieces now. So here's one I've just cut, and we're going to put a layer of thin down now. Bit of PVA on the back there. And we'll see you at the next video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and also ring the bell, and we'll see you on the next video.